Guys, this cat is whining for food. I mean, look how fat he is already. Hi guys. This is our kitty cat. His name is Garfield. His little leg is hanging out. Hello guys, and waving at you. Hello. He is so pretty. Look at that. Come on, you gotta get out of that chair. He always likes being in here, like every single second. My chair. And so, he's so good. I don't know how to get him out of the chair. Ow! He just bit me. Look, he's gonna bit me. Oh my god! Oh my god! He just hit the phone. Like, wow! This is a feisty little cat. Michael, can you record? Can you record? No, you gotta record. No, you gotta record. Stop, leave him. Meow. So, guys, I'm gonna touch him. Look what he's doing.
Whoa.
He smacked the camera. He went like this, guys. Guys, he went like this to the phone.
Bless one evil cat.
I'm touching you. I'm touching you.
Oh, he's gonna scratch you bad.
Oh, you're gonna get me. I'm gonna get the camera.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm touching you. I'm touching you. That's how to mess with a cat. He's already scratched it.
Let me see. Ooh. That's it.
Shit, no. Okay, you're feisty. Just got me another scratch right there.
Ooh. It's gotta hurt. Does it hurt?
Yeah, a little bit.
Whoa, whoa. You're gonna get you in. Yasmin. You're one mean little boy.
I'm not a boy.
You think? Yeah, you are.
No, he's a boy.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
You wouldn't bite me? He bit me. When I was recording, okay, see? When I
Wait a minute, stop messing with him. He's scared. He's scared. I can tell because his ears are down. That means he's scared.
Okay, guys, that was the end of the video of me messing with the cat. Okay? Bye! No, record.
I'm still recording. You chose.
That's one funny cat.